I'm here to memorialize Rod Pardee. He was one of the toughest competitors there ever was at a poker table. He was also a great father and a good friend. When you were with Rod, you had extreme loyalty, but he was tough on you. One thing about Rod was he expected your best at all times, and he helped out a lot of people. But the main thing with him, he was super tough to deal with at the poker table. If you just played ABC poker and weren't paying attention, you were dead. Rod had you. He would just eat your heart out. There were people that were so-called geniuses of the poker world, and those were the type of people Rod just ate for lunch because they weren't paying attention as much as Rod. They didn't try as hard as Rod. They didn't have as much competitiveness. Rod was born to be a stud player, and I think that's probably one of the best forms of poker with the most skill, with the most little idiosyncrasies and things that he would use every little aspect of his game to gain an edge.